stabs the snake. He stabs the basilisk. In this video, we are going to listen to very easy English using Harry Potter, the movie, number 2. Okay, at the start of the movie, Dobby, the house elf, small Dobby, he warns Harry. He warns him. He warns Harry Potter. He says, no, Harry, do not go to Hogwarts School. Do not go to Hogwarts School. It is dangerous. It is dangerous. But Harry, he decides to go anyway. His friend Ron Weasley picks up Harry Potter in a car. But this car is very special. This car can fly. This car flies. So Ron and Harry fly. They fly all the way to school, to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Here it is, Hogwarts School. They fly to the school. Now, there is a problem at the school. There is a problem at the school. There is a monster. There is a monster. The basilisk. There is a monster. The basilisk. The basilisk is a snake. It's a snake. And the basilisk is petrifying with its eyes. It's petrifying students. It freezes them. They're petrified. It is a very big problem. It is a very big problem. Harry thinks. He thinks, what can I do? What can I do? He searches Hogwarts School. He searches Hogwarts School and he finds the entrance to the Chamber of Secrets. He finds the entrance, the door to the Chamber of Secrets. The door. This is a door. A door that goes into the Chamber of Secrets. And Harry Potter says in parcel tongue or something, and he goes into the door. He goes into the Chamber of Secrets, where he finds a young Lord Voldemort, who goes by the name of Tom Riddle. Tom Riddle. Harry finds a young Lord Voldemort, as he is a Horcrux. Harry talks to Tom Riddle, Lord Voldemort. They talk, they argue. It is very bad. Lord Voldemort, or Tom Riddle, the young Lord Voldemort, Tom Riddle, sets the snake on him. He sets the snake onto Harry. He sets the giant snake onto Harry. The basilisk. Oh no! What will Harry Potter do? What will Harry Potter do? Harry Potter gets the sword of Gryffindor. Harry Potter gets the sword. I'll draw a sword. The sword of Gryffindor. The sword of Gryffindor. And he fights the snake. He fights the snake, the basilisk. Harry Potter, with the sword of Gryffindor, he stabs the snake, he stabs the basilisk into his head, through his mouth, he stabs him. He stabs him, and the snake dies. The snake, the basilisk, the snake that is a basilisk dies. He dies after Harry Potter stabs him in the mouth, into the brain. Okay. After Harry kills the snake, he then gets the tooth from the snake. He gets the tooth from the snake, and he stabs Tom Riddle, or Lord Voldemort's diary. He stabs Tom Riddle, or Lord Voldemort's diary with the tooth from the snake. He stabs it, the Horcrux. He stabs it. And afterwards, what happens is Lord Voldemort or Tom Riddle, the Horcrux, he dies. He explodes. He dies. Tom Riddle, who was in the diary, Tom Riddle, or Lord Voldemort, who was in the diary as a Horcrux, dies. He dies. And Harry has won. Harry has won. But it is just the beginning. It is just the beginning. I will see you. I will see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments below, what movie you would like to see next. Bye bye. Have a good day. Mwah. Bye. Goodbye.